So today's look is gonna be, I can't hold these, sorry. I don't know what to do with this. Hi guys, I'm Anna, I'm the global artist here at e.l.f. Cosmetics. So what we're gonna do is we're going to show you our newest launch. It's our Liquid Glitter Eyeshadows. It comes in 8 different shades. So today we're gonna use these 2 colors on her. It's Ocean Eyes and Bling Bling, followed by using our Bite Size Eyeshadows, which are only $3. So let's start off with this. It's called our Putty Eye Primer, and it comes in 6 different shades. Today I'm gonna be using white on her because I want those colors to pop. I'm gonna use our flat eyeshadow brush and prime her lid with our primer. Doesn't have to be perfect because you could take another brush and blend it out, or use your finger if you want. And then using this color called Acai You, say it. Acai You. We're gonna use this 3rd color in this palette and basically dust it all over her eyelid. So what I'm gonna take is Bling Bling and put it in the inner corner of the eye, so that way you have that sparkle and glitz and glam going from the inner to the outer, and it's gonna basically fade into that shadow. You can take your brush and then stipple where the glitter meets the shadow so it can transition really nicely for you. And then from here, you can go ahead and do your eyeliner, which I'm gonna use our H2O proof eyeliner pen just to give her a nice cute little wing. Now what we're gonna do is add a little pop of color and a little bit more glitz and glam to her bottom lash line. I'm gonna add Ocean Eyes using our small angled brush. I'm gonna apply it underneath her lashes. It really just amps up the look, definitely. Gives you that glam, a little bit more edginess. So there you have it. We got you that little bit of glitz and glam. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Ocean Eyes.
Okay.